Manas National Park. Manas National Park is a national park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a project tiger reserve, an elephant reserve and a biosphere reserve in Assam, India. Located in the Himalaya foothills, it is contiguous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. The park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roof turtle, hispid hare, golden langur and pygmy hog. Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo. The name of the park is originated from the Manas River, which is named after the serpent goddess Manasa. The Manas River is a major tributary of Brahmaputra River, which passes through the heart of the national park. As the park is located at the foothills Himalayas or in the terrain region, and hence waterlogging is not a problem for the tourist vehicle and can be open throughout the year with little improvement to the path. The topography, soil quality, humidity, temperature, rainfall pattern, vegetative structure gives unique zone to the world geography. This becomes clear for the presence of so many animals is restricted to the park even there is no physical boundary to restrict their free movements. The presence of 4 endemic animals like hispid hare, Bengal florican, golden langur and pygmy hog are the ideal example to show the uniqueness of the region. Therefore, if we do not conserve this unique place at this right time, then all the animals will come in the form of dinosaurs. Manas Tiger Projects plays vital role in having largest and longest transboundary movements of elephants along the northern West Bengal, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. Narrowing of this transboundary resulted increasing man-elephant conflict, as we can see in many cases that elephants are carrying feather-bearing arrows on their back. The presence of uniform water distribution is very essential for the uniform distributions of animals in the park. The uniform water hole can also save many animals by giving temporary shelter to many moving or crawling animals during grassland burning period. In Manas, availability of water sources is a great problem. Even in monsoon season, where an animal has to spare even for us for a single bout of water, as the soil cannot store water. But this problem can be overcome by artificial water management program, as many water sources are lying high above mountain region of Bhutan. Scientific burning. As the local climate of Manas favors woodland as climax community and the grasses as intermediate share, hence it is needed to arrest ecological succession at grassland share to conserve many target species either directly, indirectly, and for this annual burning is done. But during the high extremes, the park was totally remained unmanaged for 1 decade. The conservation of short grassland to tall grassland and woodland resulted the extermination of many animals from the park which are very sensitive to the change. For example, swamp deer. During grassland burning, the creeping or crawling animals are affected adversely. To overcome this problem, presence of water hole and vegetative tree is essential. The cane grass can serve as very good shelter place during burning time. Presence of gore indicates that the vegetative structure of the habitat is very dense. The gore is very shy animals and found only in thick forest and undisturbed pockets. In Manas, the major threat of gore is habitat alteration, disturbance and scarcity of drinking water source. During recording, it observed that it took minimum 45 minutes for the single bout of water even in monsoon season, but it took hardly 5 minutes if the water is plenty. It will be convenient if artificial water hole is created, as the Manas river is located high up in the mountain of Bhutan. The gore, buffaloes, sambar, etc. supports major prey base for the tiger, as the single individual can pave up to 7 days' food. It is said that the buffaloes of Manas National Park is pure breed because the French villagers never kept any domestic male buffalo in the herd. The buffalo's horn is the largest horns among the horn-bearing animals. The herd is guided by a captain and is the most dangerous animals in the wild if encountered. Number. This is one of the major prey base for the tiger as it attains the largest size among the deer species. Sambars are the most frequently encountered deer species of the park. All the deer species increases the rate of survivability by giving alarm call or signal when it sees a predator or tiger that can be shared both by intra and interspecific communications. Swamp deer. The second largest deer species of the park is swamp deer. Few populations has been translocated from Kaziranga National Park to Manas National Park with the effort of conservation biologists. If the habitat or grassland is not managed properly or annual burning is not done, then the intermediate share of short grassland is immediately succeeded to tall grassland or woodland as the humus content and heavy rainfall accelerates the succession. Rhino. Rhino was once abundantly distributed in Manas, but during the extremist period is led to become locally extinct from the park. The present stock is translocated from the Povitra Wildlife Sanctuary and Kaziranga National Park. Claudette leopard. The Claudette leopard looks heavily built because of short legs. Body coat is elliptical with blackish edge. The leg is with black oval spots. The head is large. It is a solitary hunter feeding on small mammals, reptiles, birds, etc. It is basically adapted to arboreal life. The species can hang up on the tree branches with its hind legs with long prehensile tail. The species can coexist along with Royal Bengal tiger because of nice segregation. It basically hunts small animals, which is generally not preferred by Royal Bengal tiger. Common leopard. The species is with a small spotted head. Its underside is white in appearance. Its showing sound is audible at night time. Pygmy hog. Pygmy hog is endemic to Assam and presently confined to Manas National Park only. It is a small-sized pig under the Suidae family. Bear. There are 4 species of bears found in India. Among the bears, brown bear is largest and sun bear is the smallest. Indian wild dog. The cursorial predatory wild dog or dhole is the most endangered among jackal, striped hyena, wolf and wild dogs found in India. Their tail is long and bushy and ears are long and pointed. Scaly anteaters. The pangolins or scaly anteaters have overlapping scales all over the body, with elongated protruding sticky tongue. It is highly adapted to eat termites with its adhesive tongue. When threatened, the pangolin curl up into the ball like structure tucking their soft or vulnerable parts inside the arm-out plates. Crab-eating mongoose. The species is adapted for aquatic mode of life and hunts for fish, crabs, snails and frogs. The species has white stripe on its neck, extending from the cheek to the chest. Its tail is short and with gradually polar tip. Yellow-throated marten. The body weighs up to 3 to 4 kg. Mostly they den in the tree hollows. The species is bold and agile animals and is adapted to hunt both in trees and ground. Manas National Park is our valuable asset. So, come forward and let's preserve this property for the sake of future generation as well for our nation's pride.